Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and positioning your gear. Put both AirPods in the charged case and open the lid. Make sure your phone or laptop has Bluetooth enabled and stays close. This reduces pairing errors. Once done, check for a system update and install it if needed, because firmware compatibility fixes active noise canceling behavior. Keep notifications off while pairing to avoid interruptions. These steps minimize basic connectivity problems, so the active noise canceling setup proceeds smoothly. You now pair and activate noise control. Follow the device pairing prompt or open Bluetooth settings to add the AirPods manually. Once paired, access the audio output controls. On iPhone, use Control Center and long press the volume to reveal noise control options. Choose noise canceling. On non-Apple devices, open the companion app or the AirPods entry in Bluetooth settings to enable ANC. Make sure low-latency audio profiles are selected when available, because they preserve ANC performance. You finish by optimizing fit and testing. Secure a tight seal with the correct ear tips, because ANC needs a physical seal to cancel low-frequency noise effectively. Then play familiar audio and toggle between noise canceling and transparency to set your preferred balance. Make small adjustments and listen for hiss or pressure. If ANC behaves erratically, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and if necessary, reset the AirPods in settings. These steps often resolve firmware or pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.